I'm looking how y'all are doing. Camera.
Goodness gracious, this thing has a lot of pieces. It advertises on the box that it's 2.5 feet tall. Yikes. Whoa. Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm super excited. I got some great things to show you today. But first, I have to tell you about a crazy announcement. You know, we've been posting videos for about 6 months now. We've got some great subscribers. Thank you so much for watching and so much for subscribing. And we're just really honored to be able to show this to you. Today, we got our play button. I can't believe it. It's so exciting. If you guys remember, we got a play button when we had 25 subscribers. And I'm so excited to share with you. You guys have seen my garden before. This is our garden, our family garden, and it's now officially the play button garden because our 50 subscriber play button just came in. That's right, this is the 50 subscriber play button. This is not an award that's given out to a lot of channels, and we're just really excited to be a part of it. And it's so cool. It's our 50 subscriber play button. Man, looks great. We're excited to be able to name this the Play Button Garden. It is officially the Play Button Garden. All right, let's get going. All right, headed off for a little adventure here. We're gonna go to Top Golf and celebrate one of my coaches who is, he's leaving. It's gonna be his little going away party. He's been with me for a very long time, a good buddy of mine, and we're gonna go say goodbye with some golf. He's gonna be moving to another state, so we're super sad to see him go. I don't think he watches the vlog, but if you do, man, you will be missed. We're gonna skip over to the Dallas side and play a little golf.